Hey everyone, in this video, we will learn how to change refresh rate on iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'll show you how to change your refresh rate on any iPhone. You will be able to have a fixed 60 Hz if you prefer a lower refresh rate or an upward of 120 Hz if you prefer a higher one. Simply on your iPhone, go on settings, click accessibility, then under the heading of vision, click motion. Now, as you can see, we have an option of limit frame rate. Now, this option, if you enable this option, you will fix your screen refresh rate to 60 Hz. So if you are having any eye discomfort, any eye issue, just simply enable this option and you will have a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Just by the way, by default, this option will be off, so your refresh rate can go up to 120 Hz. Now, the reason I'm saying it can go is because you can't set your refresh rate to 120 because Apple doesn't allow its users to fix their refresh rate to 120. So you can only fix it to 60 by enabling it. So if you're doing anything at fast pace, like if you're playing any games, it will automatically adjust the refresh rate to 120. And if you're doing anything else like reading a book or doing something low powered, so the refresh rate will be set to 60 Hz. This is usually done to save the battery. And I hope this video was helpful to you on how to change your refresh rate on iPhone. Thank you for watching.